I've been seeing ads for a device called the ManSculpt Wave Therapy Pro, and the promises are bold. It's marketed as a non-invasive male wellness tool that supposedly combines suction, vibration, and what they call shockwave therapy to boost blood flow, improve size, firmness, stamina, and even help with erectile dysfunction, all from the comfort of your home, just by using it for 15 to 20 minutes a few times a week. Sounds impressive, but does it really work? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? The first thing that stands out is the claim about shockwave therapy. Real clinical shockwave therapy, LIESWT, is performed with expensive clinic-grade machines that have published studies behind them. These treatments use very specific energy waveforms, frequencies, and protocols, and they're not something a small handheld home device can just replicate. But on the ManSculpt website, there are no device specs, no published clinical trials, and no independent lab data to prove it delivers actual shockwaves. Without that, the term shockwave looks more like a marketing buzzword than real science. Digging deeper, it turns out this device is actually dropshipped from Alibaba. That means it's sourced cheaply overseas, rebranded, and sold at a huge markup with flashy claims. And those claims go way beyond what any legitimate urologist would say. They talk about noticeable results in just days. Medically, that's simply unrealistic. True improvements in sexual function from therapies take time and structured treatment plans, not a couple of quick sessions with a home gadget. Another issue is the fine print. On the main page, they make it sound like this device treats dysfunction, increases stamina, and improves blood flow. But buried in their disclaimer, they admit it's not intended to cure, treat, or prevent any disease. That's a major contradiction and a classic red flag. Then there are the reviews. The official site is filled with glowing testimonials and before and after pictures, but when you look closely, many of those images are stock photos or copied from elsewhere. Outside their website, you'll struggle to find any genuine user experiences, which says a lot. They even display logos like NBC, ABC, Men's Health, and Healthline, trying to look credible. But there's no proof that any of those outlets have ever endorsed or even mentioned this product. So what's the verdict? ManSculpt Wave Therapy Pro uses big medical buzzwords and flashy marketing, but there's no proof it does what it claims. The lack of specs, fake-looking reviews, dropshipping background, and misleading endorsements all point to this being more hype than science. If you're dealing with real issues like erectile dysfunction, the safest path is to speak with a qualified doctor who can guide you toward treatments that are actually proven. Have you seen ads for the ManSculpt Wave Therapy Pro, or even tried it yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could help someone else avoid wasting their money. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives into products that may not be what they seem.